Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about type of policies with private flood insurance. You know, you've got residential, then you've got commercial, and we're going to discuss a little bit some of the differences in these. Let's talk about residential first. So what we're talking about here generally are going to be like single family homes. We're talking about townhouses, condos. You know, these fall under residential structures. Something else is mobile homes, manufactured homes, modular homes. Now, it's important to understand that modular homes and manufactured homes are actually completely different based on how they're put together. Now, in many situations, a modular home may actually be considered a single family home when setting up a flood policy. So it's important that you understand that generally these modular homes aren't going to have a serial number compared to a manufactured home. So these are the types of structures that fall under residential with private flood insurance. We're talking about commercial. Like you can see right here, we're talking about type of commercial buildings. You know, these are buildings that are used for commercial purposes. So if we're talking about someone who has a short-term rental, it's a single family dwelling, these generally aren't going to be considered commercial properties. They're still going to be considered residential. You know, we're talking about things like warehouses, like you can see right here, large commercial buildings, maybe a co-op building, a condo association. These are all different types of commercial buildings that fall under private flood insurance. Now, there's also one type of policy that falls under residential and commercial, and that's under construction. Now, under construction is looked at differently really than residential and commercial, because remember, with under construction, your deductible usually doubles until it's got walled and roofed. You don't have contents coverage on under construction. Under construction also is going to have different limitations, like coverage amounts. Like we mentioned, no contents coverage, generally no loss of use. These are all things that fall under construction. Now, under construction works differently too with commercial or residential. So it's important to understand that. So these are really three types of coverage you've got: residential, commercial, and really under construction, which falls under both. Thank you.